Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we from Group 4, our class C, will present material with the title Overcoming the Problem of Trash. For that, let us introduce ourselves. First, our group consists of 1. Dewa Ramadhan, 2. Dwi Nuryani, 3. Endra Inggita Sabriyartendra, and 4. Ferdi Anzas. The first part is the thesis statement. Trash can travel throughout the world, rivers and oceans, accumulating on beaches and within Greece. This debris harm physical habitats, transport chemical pollutants, threaten aquatic life, and interferes with human use of river, marine and coastal environment. Of all trash, plastic trash has the greatest potential to harm the environment, wildlife, and humans. It can be found floating at the surface, suspended in the water column, or on the bottom of almost all water bodies. It is transported by rivers to the oceans, where it moves with the currents and is often eaten by birds and fish, secreting toxic chemicals in their tissues and filling their stomach, causing them to starve. Plastic aquatic debris is much more than a mere aesthetic problem.
Fishermen in the city of Tegal complain about the Tegal Sari beach, which gets the title of the dirtiest. According to them, the problem is waste management that's not so well managed. As a result, many of them are unable to dock because of the silting of the river. It's no longer taboo to say that garbage is a scary problem, especially for marine ecosystem and those who live near the sea, especially those who seek life based on this. According to Zuziana, director of HDGs UNPAD, in 2020, 8.3 million tons of waste are dumped into the sea every year, and this is not a small number. Imagine how it can be.
Trash can spread disease. Disease transmission occurs when a person comes into direct contact with garbage containing germs. Then the germs enter the body through the mouth or open skin of skin mucosa. For example, if a person is scratched by a rusty can in a garbage heap and injured, the tetanus bacteria present in the rusty can enter through the wound and infect the body. Garbage piles are a soft place for the breeding of disease-carrying animals such as flies, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and rats. These animals can be intermediary for germs and cause disease in humans. Diarrhea is one of most common diseases caused by bacteria and parasites that are transmitted through flies by means of fields that have been contaminated with disease germs that are the pile of garbage and then land on food and then are eaten by humans. Trash causes flooding. One of the main causes of flooding is littering, the habit of depositing of waste that is not well placed will definitely have a bad impact on the environment. Not only causes the environment to become dirty, littering can also block the flow of rivers, which ultimately trigger flash flood. When garbage gets stuck, the river flow will stop and its volume will increase. This has the potential to cause enormous pollution.
For me, trash causes foul and unpleasant odor. bag of garbage smell for a fairly simple reason. It contains decaying, putrescable material such as meat or vegetable or deeper as meat decays. It attracts bacteria that feeds on the amino acid in the meat proteins. Vegetables also get proteins liquid as microbes attack the vegetable cell structure and the fermenting liquid form of the garbage bin. As more gases and liquid are produced, they may rupture. It may sound gross, but it's just garbage at work. The others from the decomposition process are variety of goodies with nasty sounding names. After all, who want to invite cake firings or putrescine over for dinner? Although the smell are obnoxious, they don't pose a health threat. However, the rats and flies attract by rotting garbage. These factors spread diseases that can be serious to humans if they get into our food supplies. Solution to the problem of trash. What our group believe in, we can overcome the problem of trash by doing these solutions together. Therefore, it is right to limit people garbage disposal by implementing a law that will ban the use of plastic and styrofoam inside the city. Police officers and patrols should be strict about this law together with the no littering policy. The citizens of the city should be more disciplined. People are sometimes too stubborn and hard-headed that they will not stop what they are doing until the time they actually get caught. Hiring and assigning more officers and patrols around the city to monitor and charge the violators will make the people be more disciplined and more obedient in the following the law. Another solution to the city environmental problem is to motivate people and to promote the importance of going green. The government should motivate people by putting up inspirational motivational advertisement and posters promoting the importance of proper garbage disposal. Placing this around the city will allow all of the residents to be aware that the government is taking a big step in implementing and promoting the cleanliness of the city. People might say that observing the proper garbage disposal takes so much time and effort. That is why the program and staff will teach them simple and easy to segregate and recycle their garbage. Some simple plastic bottles and cardboard boxes can be used in many ways. That we can use every day for the garbage that cannot be recycled and be used anymore. The government will be providing garbage collector on certain day every week to collect the resident trashes and transport it to the city dump site. This dump site should also be properly maintained so that the site will not harm the resident living near it and so that it will contribute to the pollution and destruction of the environment. We should be aware that what we are doing is not only destroying the environment but also destroying ourselves. The garbage that we dispose improperly is the effect of the disease and sickness that we get from polluted and contaminated area in our environment. People should start trying to change their way since they also that one who will suffer in the end. We should remember that what we give is what we get in return. It's our task and responsibility to take care of our environment, which is why taking time to learn, to obey, and promote the laws and policy about proper garbage disposal is a simple action that will make a big difference in solving of our environmental problems.
is conclusion. There are so many solutions that we can do to overcome the problem of trash. But besides that, we must do it together so that it can be effective, because the problem of trash cannot be solved if the number of causes is greater than the number of overcomers. So, we can solve the trash problem as long as we are united to make it happen. I think that our presentation is enough. If there is something wrong in saying, please do forgive. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.